Hello, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. So, today we are going to learn about the internet services. Okay, so let's discuss. The internet is a revolution in information technology. It has become a fundamental necessity to living, working, interacting, and communicating with people. Yes or no? Nowadays, without internet, we can't do anything. Yes or no? For every single thing we are dependable on internet. Sometime if you want to make a project, you need internet. If you want to know about someone biography, you need internet. If you want to watch movie, you need internet. If you want to talk with your relatives, those who are living abroad, you need internet. Yes or no? So it is a very necessary thing in our life, our day-to-day life. So the high level of connectivity encourages us unparalleled degree of communication. Yes or no? So nowadays millions of people they are using, not millions but billions of people they are using internet, and the internet provides us useful data, information, and knowledge for the personal, social, and economical development, and it is set up to us to utilize our time on the world wide web in a productive manner. Yes or no? Internet is a very useful thing if you will use in a proper manner or productive manner. Getting? Now let's see some service of the internet. The service of internet can be categorized as communication service, information retrieval services, web services, world wide waves, then information retrievals. These are some services provided by the internet. So let's discuss about the communication service first. Communication service allow exchange of information between individual or group. This communication service allow us to exchange the information between individual or in groups. Then information retrieval service. This service allows easy access to information present on the internet. Okay, the information retrieval service allows easy access to the information present on the internet. Now next see the web services. Okay, it allows exchange of information between application on the web. Okay, this web service allows exchange of information between application on the web. Using web service, application can easily interact between each other. Okay, they can easily interact between each other. Now let's see about the world wide web. Now already we discussed about the world wide web. Okay, it offers a way to access document spread over the several server over the internet. Okay, it offers a way to access documents spread over the several servers over the internet. That is called your world wide web. Like your documents may be contain text, graphics, audio, video, and hyperlinks. These all things will be there in your world wide webs. Okay, now let's see about the information retrieval. The internet is a huge storage house of information, but it is also very easy to retrieve and use the information as and when we want, right? It is a storage house of huge information, but still we can access it very easily. Whenever we need any information, we can access it. That is the advantage of internet. Now let's see how search engine works. Search engines maintain real-time information by running an algorithm on a web crawler. Crawler means a software bot that autonomously follows connected paths such as your web page links. Okay, most search engines build an index-based or crawling, which is the process through which engines like Google, Yahoo, and other find new pages to index. Okay, machines or mechanism known as bots or spiders crawl the web looking for new pages. As I said, how the search engine works, it takes help of the crawling. Okay, crawling means it is automatically follow the connected path or pages which is interlinked. Okay, so this is how the search box or search engines work. Now let's see finding people on the internet. How can we find someone in the internet or through internet? There are numerous sites on the internet and search engine that can be used to help find people on the internet. Okay, there is number of sites or search engines which can help us to find out the people on the internet. This site could help you in locating someone online as well as providing information about them, personal or professional. A simple example I will give you: Facebook, FB. Okay, whenever you want to know about someone, you can search by their name and you will find out whether they are online or not, or whatever information they are available, you can see it easily. Yes or no? That is the advantage of internet. Through internet you can find anyone anywhere if they are socially active. Okay, you could use this site to find out about a personal email ID, phone number, address or designation. Yes, it is true. Through this email, through this internet, we can get the information about a personal email ID, phone address and their designation, all the information we are getting. And many of these services require some registration or payment to get more details information about the person you are trying to find. Okay, as I said, if you want to get more information about the person, you need to pay something or get the detail of the person. Yes, so as I gave you an example, that is Facebook, or many more popular sites are there or search engines are there which is helpful to get information about many people. Okay, now let's see the internet relay chat or IRC. Okay, IRC is a service on the internet that allows people to communicate in real time and carry on conversation via the computer with one or more people. Okay, it is the service on the internet that allows people to communicate in real time and carry on conversation via the computer with one or more people. Okay, many are there like your WhatsApp, Snapchat, yeah, Twitter. Okay, many apps are services are there which help us and to communicate with other people in real time. Yes or no? Unlike other forms of groups communication on the internet, chat is instant communication. Okay, however, both parties must be connected to the internet at the same time and running the right software. Okay, but what all the things we need if they want to communicate with each other? Chatting is the best option, instant option, and for that what they need? They need internet connection and the same time running the right software. Generally, the user run a program called client to connect to the IRC server. Okay, generally the user run a program called client to connect to the IRC server. Once connected to an IRC server on an IRC network, the user will usually join in one or more channels, also known as the chat room, or conversation with other people. Okay, now let's see about the chatting. What is chatting? Chat programs allow users on internet to communicate with each other by typing in real time. Okay, chat programs allows users on the internet to communicate with each other by typing in real time. I don't think so I need to explain you about chatting, right? Because all are doing nowadays chatting with their friends, and chat messages are generally short in order to enable other participants to respond quickly. Yes or no? We are typing very shortly, we are having very short forms in chat so that the other person can react quickly. Thereby, a feeling similar to a spoken conversation is created, which distinguishes chatting from other text based online communication, from such as internet forms or email. Okay, when you are doing chatting with someone, it create a circumstance like it feel like you are talking them with real time. It distinguishes that letter or email. It is little bit different from your email and letters, right? For communication we are using chatting. Okay, this is the point to point communication as well as multicasting communication from one sender to many receiver and voice and video chats. Okay, this is a point to point communication as well as multicast communication from one sender to many receivers and voice and video chat. Getting? So for this we are using many popular sites or apps like you are getting Google Hangouts, Skype, Snapchat and WhatsApp. All those applications we are using for chatting with our friends and relatives. That is about the chatting. Now let's see about the mail or email. Email. Electronic mail is a method of exchanging message between people using electronic device. It is a method of exchanging message between people using electronic devices. Invented by your Ray Tomlinson. Okay. Email operates across computer networks, which today is primarily the internet. Okay, email messages are sent from the client machine to the mail server, from where it is sent to the destination machine. Okay, email messages are sent from the client machine to the main server, from the where it's sent to the destination machine. Email addresses have to form username, okay, host name. For example, any mail you can give yours, you can give schoolindia@gmail.com. Yes or no? So first, what you need? Inbox. Inbox means this is the name of the folder that store the email you have received. Okay, inbox is the folder that stores the email you have received. Next is sent. This is the folder which contains the mail which has been sent from your account. An email message has the following parts. First is to, means address of the recipient. Second is CC or carbon copy, address of those recipient who will receive a copy of the message. Then your BCC, blind carbon copy. Okay, addresses of the people who will also receive a copy of the mail. Okay, next is your subject, a title for your message, then your body of the mail. Okay, then what will come there? Only the body of the mail. Last is your send option will be there in your mail. This is about mail. Now let's see about the video conferencing. Okay, video conferencing technology enable direct face-to-face communication across networks. A video conferencing system has two or more participants, okay, in different locations, which have the ability to communicate using a combination of video, audio and data. Okay, a video conferencing system means has two or more participants in different locations which have the ability to communicate using a communication of video, audio and data. Okay, that is about the video conferencing. Okay, the following 5 elements are common to all video conferencing endpoints. First is your camera. The camera captures the live image to send across the network. Second is your visual display. It displays the image of the people taking part in the video conference. Okay, now third is your audio system. It includes both microphone and your loudspeakers. Okay, then your fourth element is compress or compression software. Video files are very heavy in data and take a long time to load. Okay, hence it is necessary to compress and decompress the video and audio data. So that's why the fourth element for the video conferencing your compression software. Now the last is user interface and control system. Okay, the control system handle the underlying communication that take place between endpoints. Okay, so few examples you can see here that you are using nowadays. Google Hangout is a popular and free web based video conferencing tool created by Google. Okay, many are there. You can see that Skype is there. Then nowadays many are there. Example, you can search in internet. You are also using nowadays. Yes or no? Good. Now let's see about e-learning. Okay, nowadays e-learning is very important because of this COVID situation. You are learning through internet only, right? So e-learning is the process of getting an education online or learning online. E-learning, schools, distance education organization help learners complete education and training objectives which more easy and flexibility than they can with traditional classroom based learning. E-learning courses can be published online through a learning management system that is called MAS. And LMS allows for courses creator to streamline e-learning content into a easy to access location. Okay, so like this they are uploading or publishing e-learning courses, and the learning management system allows them to create courses, streamline e-learning content to easy access for the locations. Okay, now let's see e-commerce. Nowadays you are purchasing many things online. Okay, for your daily needs, your dress, your books, many stuffs, electronic goods, your gadgets, you are purchasing through internet only. That is called your e-commerce. Okay, e-commerce is the exchange of goods and services enabled through an electronic method. Okay, as I told you, you are purchasing nowadays everything, so you know very well about the e-commerce, so no need to explain, right? Next, see about the online modes of payment. This is also very familiar to you. I think you are paying online only whenever you are purchasing many things. Sometimes COD also there, okay, cash on delivery, but most of the time you are paying online. So you know about the online payment method. Also many methods are there. You are paying by credit card, debit card, or by your e-wallet like your Paytm. Yes or no? Phone Pay, Google Pay, MobiKwik, these are the online payment mode, okay, where people used to pay to others, right? Now let's see about the e-banking. Okay, online banking, also known as internet banking, is an electronic payment system that allows customer of a bank or any financial institution to make online financial transaction using the organization website. Okay, so online banking is known as your as a internet banking, and it allows the user or customer of any bank or financial institute to make online financial transaction using the organization website. You are using like Yono, SBI Yono, and different websites also there. So that is about e-banking. So here we are going to conclude today. So today what all the things we learned about the internet, what all the facility provided by internet we learned today. Okay, the different elements which is there in internet we got, like your finding people on internet, and what is the work of search machine, then internet relay chat, then chatting, then email, then video conferencing, then e-learning, e-commerce. Okay, then online method, modes of payment, then e-banking. In next class we are going to discuss about the e-shopping. Till then, take care.